Oh, yeah. The beggar. Sasa. No, I don't know who has done with you. If you don't give, I mean, keep your phone. About good evening. First of all, you know, say before they look down on Abba, but see right now. Already hot. God just carry better person give una. Where from they come? The phone, the SIM. Another person hold SIM, another person hold phone, another person hold network. Confusion. Please, to that our legend, we come out here, Uncle O. They say they get sickness, I mean. And then people will support them. Thank you. Me, I go support. Because, you know, say this life, all of us go reach a certain age. All of us go grow. We don't say everybody really make a move. But God, they give us that life to, you know, see things. Say me, I make a small. Don't mean say I make better pass. No. So me, I they support them with 500,000. Okay? When I finish, I give 500K. Shut up. Don't collect heart disease. You don't want it. Look at because of money, someone wants to take heart disease. Look at that. Shameless. Sonny, where's Sonny? Sonny, how day? You talk about Sasa. My daddy. Shut up now. Oh God. Now then pursue people to be for the party. These people. Now then. That election what didn't even win. This boy was a shame. Is that the sharp Labour Party we know what we are chasing? I'm kissing a human being. They can't go once and give her 20,000 or that change man. Let's give Tinubu a chance. Let's see what he can do. Now him be his fool. Oh shit. So they talk about infection. Grown up men, they laugh. Daddy, did you hear that boy? He was talking about infection. Gono. Capital letter G. Daddy know what to do, Gono. That's rough. Who get Gono? We are white native. You don't see small camel for you. Prime Minister, the boss. I see you. Much respect, sir. The business one I do, me, I don't open my own. I don't. What is this? Sabinus, are you? Sabinus, who shall be na Sabinus be this? Are you? Are you? Are you? You make it go like hot job. Are you? Sabinus, are you? Who be this? Are you? Oh, show me. You're off. Come. Are you? Make you know what they draw. Now me you draw. Like you look this light, look me. Now me this. Future Sabinus. Now your house will have been a career. Now your house will make you do this thing. You can't be picture once, man. Wait, about talk truth, now maybe this. Now you. I'm Prime Minister, now maybe this. Now your head. Investor, fine boy. Investor. Timaya, Apana. Investor, now you. Apana. Where you follow come out? Everyone state. You're not too far. You're not too far. Why una dey waka up and down? Person go show and go jack something dey waka dey find out. What is this? If I no come give am something now, I feel like say I'm wicked. And I'm actually wicked. Oga, bring down 500,000 down, come on, stop that. For this picture, 500,000, stop that rubbish. You don't get 100 naira there. How much be that? 200. No, I don't try that. I'll be not in this picture. Go find where they spray 100. Bring and come. Anybody want 100? This picture no deserve 200. 200, 100 naira there. Now 100,000 be that. The problem are the charges. Now my problem. Oh, by God, collect here for me. I don't get charges to give this boy. Go wait for me for the other side. These people na bandit na they do. I think I waiting on you. Eh? When I go hustle for nights for bush, come out for evening with picture. Eh? I don't know who be who. Now so one boy just come for that back place, carry touch. They do like this. I say look at. Now so they take capture person face. Oh. Eh? So sir, back to go no. So sir, you know say you get some men, if they walk out their hand they like this. I don't even know observe. When I know this thing. Timaya. Sabi. My girl, do you know it? Any man that does like Alaska. Oh, the guys go kill you. So, you know say do, but try to know place where they put am. You know, we in Port Harcourt, we try as much as possible. Sonny knows what I'm talking about. Sonny, for Port Harcourt, you know what men they do? So they put them. You smell waiting, you put your hand. And if you do, the guy asks, waiting with that. Be open, be free. Tell him, no do say, hey, something is a lie. Madam, na your show. No do, no. We need to. Bros, hello, my brother, the country is rough. You mind the way you're running now. What is it? Who they pursue you? What's the problem? Who's chasing you now? Talk now. People know what they do. Banks and they want to. From show now to bush. The way I go to the flood, not the way when other people the flood go. I go to the flood with language of. So bro, sit at a place. The country don't run for you. You better say enter one chance that to meet bandit though. One chance now better. One chance at least they go push you from motor. Bandit, oh no, nothing. I got you know the key person, oh. They flog you till you die. Are you gonna raise your hand and shout, Oga, stab me. So you go mind yourself. So as I come this man, it get one to I can observe say, you know this. Sasa, now negotiation. How much I want? So I'm nothing there. I beg you. I don't know what thing I work. That business I open, I never see profit. I don't open business so that chief prime minister they open that year. My brother, every day me and camera. Small rice and beans what they sell in the plantain. If I switch for one day accountant office light off. Now me they call accountant, why is that light off? The guy say why I cut, I say who cut hand? Open the wire, put it. Yeah? My brother, right as I'm talking to you, they can't beans. Pressure. Oga. Hey! So, we shall be money that water, not before beans. So. My brother, do you know that in this Abba, Prime Minister, you want to give me money? You want to give me money? 1 million for me. Will I go with you? I be Ron's boy now. Baba leave doggy for me. Oh. Who's scared he bend like this? You know say doggy dey sweet when they get the bend they look you. No man fit do doggy get the look am he no come quick. As he saw the bend. He go just dey sing. So, if they do doggy, the guy they look you, they bend the head back. No, they look me. Where the money where Prime Minister want give me? Car where? Boss, which one be continue? Are you inviting me? Prime Minister, I go stop this thing. Boss, go close to him now. Hello. Go close to Prime Minister. Go close to Oga. Go to do this thing. Go close to him. Am I begging? Follow this side now, bros. He might not do 1 million. He can cut it. 500. No, the one you want to go. No, that one from me. It's nothing. It's nothing. I'm a top investor now. Top one.
Big boy.
Big boy.
I want
to buy you one. They get money, eh? Money sweet, though.
Money sweet, now.
You know, say, you go home money like this, eh? You and condom.
My man.
Yeah.
My man.
Infection. Wow. And because the champ. Wow. It's a PC pump. Me Oga, Alaska, I'm begging. Allow me beg. What's wrong with you now? What's wrong with you? Me Oga now. Eh? You want to give me 5 million? Eh? Bro, shit. You said you want to give me 5 million. Come here. Also, what is that I speaking? What is the other answer? Eh? He don't buy 5 million already. And he don't give a mouth. I don't try, don't do. The big boss! Our stoner. I will kill this boy. Daddy, much respect. I don't say it's only no people present. I don't say, our boy. Sayonara. Eh? May you waiting.
The money for you, may no stress.
Gentle Yahoo. Now you say for Kigwe Road. Who will hold this money for me? Which woman been there?
I mean, but I got borrow.
That is already, you're already a thief. Mama, may hold this money. So, no, normally if I give this guy 500,000, how want they take him? The beating go sure. The fight we go beat. Insta block tomorrow morning, popular comedian beating in our back. Don't come show them my picture where I carry one eye. Portable. The one way Kata beat and never do it. Me I never beat at the match. Hey, man, please a round of applause for Cogency. I beg Cogency. Man, I clap for her. I dey come in show and they see some beggars outside with one leg too. I said the person wey dey do the show, the leg no good. Don't do your own show. Make we help am. And you don stop it though. I dey know one leg show. Make I see help one leg outside. How?
It is bad.
Cogency, your leg good. Come out now. Hello, bring your leg, come out, not to support you. Leg no good, the best way leg no good, they beg me for outside. Not be less privilege, show I come. I did a get an association for Abba. Cogency, you're a wicked person. Your fellow less privilege, that side. You don't put step for less privilege. Let me see people sit down like this, stay like this. It's not good. Abba, beg.
My turn, don't finish.